storage time. Another day in the storage, guys, and looks like we might find something good in here, so let's dig in. The first thing, let me put this on the side. I don't know how to begin, but anyways, I think we have a lot of spare parts. Oh, look at this Gordon. Is it moving? I think it's trying to move. It's Trackmaster 2, and we have an Arthur shell. I don't know what's this. Do belong to something? It's yellow wheels. I think must be Plarail or something. And this one is for maybes. Oh, it's broken. We can do some restoration later. So I hope we can find something really good this time. And this mountain, is it lava or is it water? I don't know. Let me know in the comments which set this belongs to, because I got it a long time ago. I don't remember. Let me see if we can run a model. Yes, I think it runs a model through. It does have clearance. Yes, enough clearance. Anyways, so let's continue. Here is some kind of what's this? Harold to the rescue or something. There's a tower right there. I have another two at home, and I don't know if I can find the parts. We'll see later. And look at this one. This one is from Southern Search Rescue Center, I think. I don't remember. It's let me know in the comments, guys, because look at the other side. Sorry, but I have my camera backwards. Anyways, let me know in the comments which set this came from, because I over the years I did not see a lot of this. But maybe a good part for something or somebody who collects his Scarloy parts. What is this? Scarloy. So I'm gonna put here Scarloys. What's this? This is not wooden. Look at this one. This might be some kind of rare item for some collectors, maybe, but not for me. And it's not even wooden. It looks like wooden, but it's plastic. Let me see. 20. Nah, it's not even old. It's 2016 model. Nah, no, it's not rare. Not for me, anyways. We have some good parts. Oh, look at these rubber tires. You can get the electric motor, battery terminals. Oh, look at this. This looks like those models you always leave in the comments, that shed 17 something Thomas. But it's a steam alone. Here's another steam alone, and another steam alone. I used to just swap the parts. Oh, look at this one. This is Plarail, made in Thailand. Can you see that one? Really nice. I remember I got like 30. I think I got 30 Plarail models for $50 a long time ago, and those were not complete set. That's why I have some remainings. It is from steam alone parts. Water tower. Here's another one. And actually one of these might be working. We find out later. And this one for sure is for talking. Is it talk and action? Is it talk and action, Thomas? Yes, I think. I'm gonna put it on the side. And this one is one of the first models I used to paint over for Timothy the Ghost engine. Look at this Edward. It's totally chipped, broken. But the wheels are good, and the chassis, yeah, we have a good one here. Now, here's something that you probably can help me to identify. This one does have some kind of magnets here, or metal. Let me see. It's for a wooden railway. It's metal, heavy metal model. The wheels are plastic. So, I don't know. Let me know in the comments which part, because these ones are hard to find. On a wooden, I mean, because of the magnets or something, activate some sounds on the terminals or Look at this elephant, wooden railway. What is this? Best of British. Anyway, let's speed up. So we have Toby shell. Oh, look at this. This is good. I'm gonna put it on the side. It looks clean, not bad. I'm gonna save that one. Another card. Oh, look at this lamppost. I'm gonna save this one right here. This one used to sell us a lot of this Timothy the Ghost engine. What is this? It's just roll on. Anyway, rolling in. Wow. SpongeBob in what is this? SpongeBob Thomas. Is it Thomas? And the other one I have no idea. Minis. I'm gonna put it on right here. So we have Emily. I'm trying to make some space, some room. And this one is remote control Percy. Another part for steam alone. This one is really good. I think it's from Tomas in the what's the some kind of yard something. I don't remember. Oh, look at this. Disgusting. Garbage. No, I'm gonna clean it. Is this take and play? I don't know. I have no idea. Oh, here it is. What is that part? Where I put that one? Right here. This one is for talking and action and in Plarail. Look, and the coupling is good. So I need the front part, and we might have another. I'm gonna save this one. A remote control Thomas. Some tracks. And look at this crane. What's the name of this crane? I think I've seen some of these over the years. Sorry, my kids playing outside. So anyways, I'm gonna put on the side this one. I think this one came with Ryan, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna save this one as well. Look at this big chunky. Oh yeah, I remember. This one is a remote control Chuggington. Some sort of Chuggington. I don't know. So we find another take and play Toby. And the other models I used to paint as a Timothy the Ghost engine. This one is from 2009 Thomas. Oh, this one is dirt. Actually, this one I'm gonna save it because I need to restore one of these. I have a lot of mollies. Here's another Chuggington. This one is interactive. Let's just pull back James. Nice one. Oh, look at this. Is it working? Or it's not working? I think we gotta do something about this one, because this one you used to pull it down, I think, or up, and then the rocks start to move. So I'm gonna save that one too. I don't know which one is this for. This C-Star something Thomas or whatever. Let me see, some tracks. I don't need tracks. Oh, look at this, good find. This one, it belongs to Fix and Repair. I think Fix and Repair station. Missing the battery cover. I'm gonna save. Maybe we find some good something to replace the cover. Here is a Henry Standard. This one is for wooden railway. Chunk, Rocky's card. Is this the first models of? I don't know. This one is. Oh, look at that! It does talk. Nice find. I'm gonna say this one. I don't know what's this for. Trackmaster to Percy. I don't know if you guys grow up with these models. Oh, look at this! Another two. Wow! Another two Sirthofam hats, wooden figurines. And so as I was saying, this one is for take and play, I think. Yes, it's a solder engine works, and this one is engine wash right here. Good. Now talking about those kind of I don't know, this one is for Pirates Cove Maritime Museum. Let me know in the comments. I don't know if this one is take and play too. I think if I remember, it should be a chest right here, treasure chest. But anyways, let me put this down. Good building for Trackmaster. What's this? Spencer's metal thing. This is a waterfall. Is it on? Off? No batteries. I remember this one makes some sounds. It's for take and play, and I think it does slide up right here. I think, not sure. Look at this big whistle. Let me see. Still working. Nice. It's really big. So we have, oh, look at this, excellent. I need this one. I have one of these heroes from Trackmaster 2 at home, so I'm gonna save this one too. What is this? Is this bathtubs? Thomas, I think. Yes, it's rubber for little ones. What is this? Oh, look at that, moving ice. So this, I think this is the way they might look, the new merchandise for Tomas. Oh, look, amazing. Soda Rubbish Company. This is for wooden railway. Nice, fine. Another take and play. What's that? This one is ERTL diesel right there. Really old. Nice. For some people, these ones are really good because they have a lot of tear and wear, and collectors love the condition of these models. Here is another. Did I show up this one? I think I remember this one. This one does have some kind of shell for. Here's another one. Let me know in the comments, guys, because I always forget. Well, I might remember soon. Look at this cranky. This one is really good. Don't remember which set. Is it Trackmaster? I don't know. Oh la la! I found the excellent. This one will be a really good for restoration. Even if it's not for this, but this one makes complete, I think. So we might need the battery cover. I'm gonna set this apart. This one is for a crane. This is a McCall's farm something. And this little, look at that. It might be some for collectors. I think this one is good. Does have some a bell inside, ring bell. Nice. Another giraffe for. Did I already show up? This one, I don't know. For wooden railway, geotracks. Sorry guys, my videos are taking too long, but anyways, I think we found a lot of good models or parts around here. And this one is for diesel. We can use this for. Oh, look at that one. It says Dodge and Splatter. I definitely want to save these. I might find some laying around. What is this? I don't know. But anyways, thanks guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye.